Welcome to the podcast series called Awesome Life with Awesome Vibes. The topic for today is Awakening Your True Potential, where we explore the possibility of integrating our head and heart, our mind, body, and soul to bring out the best in us. This is Aatmn Parmar, your guide who is going to take you on the journey inwards to discover your brilliant potential to make a positive difference in the world around you. Let us explore the fascinating realm of human potential and how we can awaken it to live our best lives. Let's get started. Question: how fast can you run? 1 kilometer an hour? 2 kilometers? Five? 10? Does not matter what your answer is. Let me tell you, it is incorrect. Imagine you're nicely walking in a forest and a tiger starts chasing you. Now tell me, how fast would you run? For sure, it is going to be your best performance. What does that tell you? There was a super fast runner in you always. However, you never thought of exploring the possibility of running fast because you found no need to do that. You needed a crisis to bring out that fast runner in you. That's what happens in real life. How fast can you read if you have to appear for the exam next day? It is certainly going to be faster than ever before. My question is, why wait for the crisis? Why wait for the adversities? Why wait for the troubles to bring out the best in you? Why can't you perform at your peak potential on daily basis without waiting for any emergency? Why can't you live life with 100% potential day in and day out? So, what exactly is potential? It's that hidden energy, those latent abilities, and that untapped power within each one of us. Many of us go through life using just a fraction of our potential. Research suggests that most people use only about 10 to 20% of their true capabilities. Imagine what you could accomplish if you harness even a bit more of that dormant power. Why our potential remain dormant? Why our potential stay hidden? There are several reasons. Lack of stimulation is number one. We do not stimulate ourselves enough. We do not inspire ourselves enough. We do not motivate ourselves enough. Second is fears. That includes fear of failure, fear of success, and fear of the unknown. All these fears can paralyze us. Third is attachment to the comfort zone. We often stick to what's familiar and comfortable, avoiding the discomfort that comes with growth. Limiting beliefs. Many of us carry beliefs that we're not good enough, we're not smart enough, we're not capable enough, we're not enough. All these beliefs are not the truth. The truth is, we haven't awakened our potential enough. Fifth is lack of awareness. Sometimes we simply don't know what we're capable of because we haven't explored our limits. These barriers keep us from reaching our highest and achieving much more. So, obviously, now you want to know how to awaken your true potential. And here are some actionable steps. Ask the right question to yourself. How can I do better than what I did so far? How can I perform better? How can I contribute better? How can I bring out my hidden skills? Challenge yourself. Challenge yourself before the universe conspires to bring out the best through challenging situation. Be in connection with your past personality and let your present day personality be a better version of your past personality. Cultivate a growth mindset. Growth and evolution are the norms. You can choose to grow proactively or wait for the universe to conspire and put you on the path of growth. Being synchronized with the growth curve in your life will naturally bring out the best in you. Seek knowledge and skills. Learn something new regularly. Make it a point to learn something new. Read new books, gather more knowledge, gather inner and outer knowledge. Enhance your skill set regularly. Sharpen your mind, sharpen your senses and memory through various activities and games. Practice self assessment. Regularly assess your progress and areas of improvement. Self awareness is the key for growth. Surround yourself with inspiring people. Engage with people who inspire and support you. A positive environment fosters growth. Motivate yourself by creating role models to begin with. Eventually, inspire yourself to be the role model for many more people around you. Take care of your well being. Physical, mental, and emotional health are crucial. A healthy body and mind can achieve much more. Remember, awakening your potential is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take brings you closer to your true self. Awakening your true potential is about recognizing the incredible power within you and taking deliberate steps to unleash it. It's about breaking free from self imposed limitations and striving towards excellence. As we wrap up today's episode, I encourage you to reflect on your potential. What's that one step you can take today to start unlocking your full potential? I leave you with this question. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration on the Awakening Your True Potential podcast. Remember, your potential is limitless. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars. Let the sky be the only limiting factor. Soar higher than what you can imagine because you have it in you to keep doing better and better with every passing day. Radical indeed helps you with affirmations and techniques to bring out that dormant potential. We have this potential awakening walk that helps you go closer to the potential and get familiar to live life full of 100% potential. You can join us for the workshops and retreats on site to get the glimpses and learn the techniques so that you can keep practicing on your own and reach closer and closer to your highest potential and objectives in life. Meanwhile, let's enjoy some of the radical recitation statements. These statements have powerful keywords to go deeper into your subconscious mind and awaken your dormant potential. Recite with me or after me. I purify my stagnation. I purify my stagnation. I purify my stagnation. I purify my need for stimulation. I purify my need for stimulation. I purify my need for stimulation. I purify my inhibition. I purify my inhibition. I purify my inhibitions. I purify my self-limiting beliefs. I purify my self-limiting beliefs. I purify my self-limiting beliefs. I purify my self-sabotage. I purify my self-sabotage. I purify my self-sabotage. I purify my laziness. I purify my laziness. I purify my laziness. I purify my fears and concerns. I purify my fears and concerns. I purify my fears and concerns. I awaken inner inspiration.